Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Hey guys, Stephen I4 from I4 Fortune, creating fortunes for the future. Monday today, the 27th of March, 2017. I'm continuing my birthday presents for all those who loves to make money on the internet. Well, this is only one way, of course. But at the same time, this is a $1 trillion industry. So if you want a fair share of yours, you're only going to get a 0.001% of it, I think, and that's pretty good money. So stick with me. Firstly, subscribe to my video so you can get a lot more of my video coming into your YouTube. YouTube will let you know that I posted a video. You can choose from the array of stuff that I talk about. I love sharing stuff with people on the internet. But this particular account, it's only $405 today, but last Friday when the market was closed, it was only at $350. So we put a bit of money on that first thing in the morning. Now, in fairness, this particular account is only a micro account, and I needed to verify that. This is not a dollar value account. It's been traded at a few cents, starting off, I think it was 6 cents, and I'm going to show you that result in a moment. And has built up from trading from few cents. The idea of these accounts and the idea of these videos that I'm doing now to show traders, especially people who want to join this industry, trading in the forex industry or the $1 trillion industry if you wish, or the stock market, however you wish it doesn't matter. Whatever you purchase through this high frequency platform, it does not matter as long as you know what it is, whether it be buying gold, shares of gold, or oil, or currency pairs. It does not matter. The same principles apply, just the product changes a little bit. But anyway, let's continue. Micro account. This particular account, as I said, was only started about 2 and a bit a week ago, and it's grown from $30 investment to $405 profit. Now here we are. As I said to you before, that's the same account. This is the trading platform. This is where the money is made. This is the engine of this money-making machine. Okay, there's the balance, $405.53. Now, the reason I wanted to show you this video today is to show you the size of, or the volume of trades that I've been making. 6 cents, 7 cents. As you can see, I've been gradually growing it up from 6 cents, 7 cents, 10 cents. That's a lot of trades. Remember, I do a lot of trades because they're only a few cents worth. 15 cents, how gradually going from 10 cents to 15 cents through time. Now I'm starting to really push it, and now it's gone up to 60 cents. And this is just recently, it's the 22nd of March, and has graduated up to 75 cents. 75 cents, it went back down to 50. So I'm fluctuating between 50 cents up to 75 cents at this stage. On the 23rd of March, the next day, it's starting to gradually grow again. And of course, it continues. It fluctuated between 75 cents, 60 and 50 cents. It even went down to 20 cents. Then all of a sudden today, the market is in our favor, and I'm ready to boost this account up. As you can see, the 27th, today's the 27th, of course, and the trade has gone up to $1.50. Now, the latest trade I've just made just later on, it's gone up to $2 trades. So you can see the small micro account that has grown from a few cents worth is ready to take on the real dollar value. And you see now the importance of taking these micro account into really profitable returns. Now, if this continues, I know it will, then I'm going to make more videos on this regarding this micro account as I start to trade. As you can see, $1.50, and then straight away I've gone over to $2. And as time grows, is when this balance grows, the value, and I'm trading my money for it, will get higher and higher. Of course, as soon as this balance will probably reach 500, and I'm going to probably boost my value each trade to $3 per trade. Don't get dismayed by the dollar value. I need you to see the few cents trade. As you can see that I started in the beginning, as you can see, probably the 3rd of March. And this account, as I said, it was just started recently. and only traded at 6 cents, and the account was already funded with $30, and I'm sure you can afford $30 to test these accounts up. But more importantly, down below these videos of mine, there'll be a link to join one of these high platform trading account. Click on it, join it, then come back to me and I'll teach you how to use this platform. Verify your account, and once you do that, as I said, I'll have my contact details on there. Then I'm going to do a live Skype with you to show you exactly how these systems work. Don't worry too much about all these fancy icons. As I said in some of my earlier videos, that 90% of these icons don't even exist to you. There are only a few that you're going to be using to generate good income and take your $100,000 to $1 million. Anyway, this applies also to millionaires, so don't get me wrong. This system, this strategy that I'd apply here, if you had $1 million, then I'm going to show you how to trade, say, $10,000 per trade out of your $1 million. So you're not touching your $1 million. And that's called money management. As you can see, $30 has grown in a short space of time, and growing rapidly now that I am raising my bet amount. These are just this morning's, and let me show you some of the histories of the account as I closed each one on profit. This is just closed today, as you can see, 27th of February. Oh, sorry, here. Closed here, sorry. And you will recognize all of these trades, I'd say 99.9% are on the money. That's how accurate this system is. If you were with binary options, I think your accuracy rate, hit rate, is about 75%. But if you check mine out, my accuracy rate using this system and strategy and these platforms are absolutely perfect. As I said, 99.9%. Now, each one of these has got no minus figure on, like you see here. Now, these are all the historical trades that I made and been closed, and it's always been on the money. Although they're not a lot of money, remember I was only trading a few cents, as you can see. 75 cents, and I made $2.82. I mean, it's not going to break the bank, but I've doubled my money. And literally, that's all I was looking for. Double my money, close the trade off, look at the next best thing. And as we look up, as I said, 99%, 99.9%, I'm on the winning rate, far better than the binary option. As you can see, as I go up, even though some of them are a small return, but at least they're not on the minus, and it's making me profits. This account, I will promise you, I'm going to trade this account up to $1 million worth. I can guarantee probably in the next 6 months, a micro account that can grow rapidly. As you can see, I'm showing you the history in a few cents trades. As you can see here, 60 cents, 40 cents profit, $1.38. I'm showing you the hit rates. You haven't seen any minus yet. And these are records. And the beauty about these trading platforms, they keep records. They email you each day what your account is doing. There's one there for 50 cents and nearly triple my money. I'm trying to look for some 6 cents trades. Hold on, if it lands on the right here, if you see any minuses, then that's your only few probably. Oh, here's one, 9 cents, 17 cents out of the money. But how many will pop up? Very rare. The reason sometimes I close these trade off on the minus to balance my account off. That's the only reason. How will we? Come on, let's look at hold on, make it quicker. Here we go, 10 cents. I was trying to look for some 6 cent trade. Here we go. At the beginning, I wasn't doing too good. As you can see, there were a few minuses there. But as things settled, 6 cents started to trade off and start producing profits. It's not much, but I need to appreciate how much few cents can do just gradually in time. Keep ticking, 1 cent, 2 cent, 3 cent. I mean, every little cent add into your piggy bank, it's profits. You can't complain with that. Now, the beauty, as I said, about this, you don't have to sit in front of the computer to watch it. I do this only because for purely my own exercise and training. But for you, as soon as you come on with your 30 bucks, and I'll show you how to trade it for 10 cents, we'll probably only put up about 6 trades at 10 cents each. That's only $1.10 or $1.20 out of your $30. Then we allowed all those trades through the day or through the week to see how much it accumulates, if we need to do any adjustments to some of the trades accordingly. Now, that's it, and you're done. Once these trades have been put up on these platforms, you let it ride, meaning let the market do the thing for you. Don't worry about the things that goes off the market, go off the chart for a wee while, because the return always comes back. If you look up the top here, the graph. Let me show the graph a little bit. That's a minute. Let me take it to an hour. If you look at the graph, for example, see how it goes up and down, and then you get this long trend. The long trend is your friend. We make a lot of money on the trend, of course, but these are little peaks and rallies. We make money on that. We make money when the market's going down or the asset's going down, and we make money just going up on this this rise, and we make money coming down. Now that's the beauty about the trading. But of course, if you were to say on the 24th of February, you bought you open up a trade on this particular asset, Euro GBP, around about 4th of February, that's about a month ago. By now, 12th of March, not now, sorry, by 12th of March, you would have made substantial amount of money, depending how much you put down on your trade. So you can see it's a very simple process. You set and you forget and come back and collect your money. And if you notice it's starting to go down in this area, then you sell it off and you capitalize on the gain. Otherwise, you would open up another trade now as the market going down. So you'll be making money going down. Don't worry about these peaks, because you're in this sort of trading. You're trading on a trend, a long-term trend, because you make a lot of money on a long-term trend, regardless of all the ups and downs. So your trade, for example, just take this last one, for example. See how it's off the money, 22 cents? It doesn't matter, because the market dictates it goes up and down. So it doesn't matter. Somewhere along the line, that's going to be in the money, and now it will take the profit. Now, can you see how easy these systems are? It's like child's play. It's only complicated because you're looking in the eye of complication. Because if you look at it in the eye of a child, it's just child's play. And that's how I see these things. Just child's play, adding numbers, throwing some number onto a software on the computer. Next minute you come back, oh, hallelujah. I got more numbers on my computer. Too easy. Sell it off, close the trade, and you take your profit. So you can see some of the trades I did this morning already coming in a profit. And I'm not going to harvest it. I'm going to let it grow. But at the end of the day, maybe tomorrow, we'll see some significant movement on the market, which will shift these prices. More importantly, as I said, is for you to start. Once you start, you're on the way. Get hold of me. We'll do a live Skype, so I can teach you some of these simple principles to apply. With $30, what can you lose? You already seen my account from $30 up to $400 and growing rapidly. If you can take $30 and do that, you don't have to use $30. You could be a high roller and say, here, Steve, I got $300 or $3,000 or $30,000 or $300,000 or $3 million. The principle doesn't change. It's just the figures that change. So say, for example, you put $3 million in your account, then these figures would change accordingly. So your So your $3 million trades could be $3,000 per trade. It may not have to. It might only be $300, but that's significant. $300 can move a lot of profits for you, and it don't even put your $3 million at risk. See the beauty? It is absolutely awesome. But anyway, this is Stephen R. Ford from R. Ford Fortune, creating fortunes for the future. Stay away from scams. We love you. God bless you. We'll see you on my next video.